We leave our overnight stop in Lymm and start a 14-mile journey to Runcorn. We pass through the urban district of Grappenhall and Stockton Heath before the canal opens out into some rolling countryside. Watch out for the imposing tower of Daresbury Laboratories, which opened in the 1960s. The site, chosen for the sandstone bedrock, which would provide a stable base for delicate instruments, and the canal a source of water for cooling. As we head south, we soon approach the junction to the Runcorn Branch of the Bridgewater Canal. Here the busy M56 crosses the Preston Brook Branch, and there is a boatyard beyond. However, we head west along the Runcorn Branch and cross the Norton Aquaduct over the railway. Watch out for the Norton Water Tower on the skyline ahead. We pass the short Norton Arm, where the historic former warehouse is now a kayak centre, with Preston Brook Marina directly opposite. We continue heading west where the canal terminates at Waterloo Bridge. Before the road was built here, two of the arches led to a flight of locks down to the Manchester Ship Canal and the River Mersey. Here we wind amongst the Bridgewater Motor Club moorings and moor just before the Brindley Theatre.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning, everyone.
And welcome to our vlog. You join us on a bit of a cloudy day.
Cloudy day, but it's not raining. That's the main thing.
No, that's true.
Because we're on the Bridgewater Canal. We've only got 7 days here, haven't we?
Yeah.
So we need to move on, really.
Yeah.
So we're just leaving Lymm. You see?
Yeah.
A pretty little village.
It's a lovely little village.
We did stay here last year, so
really nice.
yeah. So
And,
we're moving on today.
Yeah, where are we going to?
Well, we're hoping to get to Runcorn, which is 14 miles.
Bit of a long day for us. We don't normally do that sort of thing, do we?
Yeah, which is kind of why we started off a wee bit earlier. It's about, 8:45, is it? 9 o'clock?
Something like that.
Something like that.
You popped up the shops, got some milk, didn't you?
Yeah. So it's about 14 miles to Runcorn, but we're not sure whether we'll get there. It depends on the weather.
Yeah.
And although it's supposed to stay dry today, so let's hope it does.
It should do.
Yeah.
With any luck.
So we didn't do the Runcorn Branch the last time we were here, did we? So, and because you've only got 7 days with your Canal and River Trust licence, it's
just to explain to viewers, because some viewers may not know what we're on about. The Bridgewater Canal, the majority of the network is run by the Canal and River Trust, but this particular stretch of waterways run by the Bridgewater Canal Company, slightly different company, and therefore there's 2 different licenses. We have a Canal and River Trust license, which we pay for each year, which allows us to come on to the Bridgewater, but only for a limited amount of time, and that is 7 days. After that, we get charged. I'm not quite sure what the charges are, but I've heard that they're quite steep for being on the Bridgewater. So that's it. We've got 7 days. We go from one end to the other. It's a shame, really, because there's lots of places that you'd like to spend a bit more time, but you just don't get that time to do it, do you?
Do you know?
No. So well, never mind. Anyway, we're off today, so come along with us.
We'll catch up with you later.
Speak to you later. Bye for now.
Is it cold enough for you?
I'm cold.
So this is Stockton Heath. It's a good place to stop to stock up on provisions. There's some shops in the town and also some nice restaurants. And there's a chandlery here. So I think Pat looks as if he's going to stop to pick up some diesel. Where are we, honey?
I'm okay now, I've had a wee.
Oh. You were getting desperate, were you?
I was getting desperate, yeah.
Of course, I wasn't on board to take over the controls. Why didn't you, for you to
I'm
nip
getting
down?
cold.
Yeah. So we've stopped here at this little marina, Thorne Marina, to pick up some diesel. So it was a reasonable price, so it's always a good idea to top up. That's all we needed to do. So we'll carry on.
So these bridges on the Bridgewater Canal, they don't have numbers on them. So this is Acton Grange Bridge. So we're just coming up to the junction of the Runcorn Branch. So as you can see, just literally before that motorway bridge, there's a turning on the right there. So that's where we're going. We're going underneath this bridge here. On the left hand side, under the bridge, is a Midland Chandler's. So Pat's just making the turn now. So this bit for us is now a new stretch of water that we've not been on yet. So how was that turn, Skipper?
It was a bit of a tight one, but yeah, it was good.
There's plenty of room though, wasn't
took
there?
It just at the right speed, so yeah, no, it was good, but it was a bit tight, must admit. Any faster and yeah, could be dodgy. Yeah, no, it's good.
Good.
Chandlery there, I think.
So it looks like this is the end of the Runcorn Branch. I think we've got a wind here. So that's as far as we can go. There's a complete turnaround and back the way we came.
There's the high street there.
Sorry?
More up behind this one. It's still the corner.
Oh, it's not. Oh, yes it is. So we're just about 100 yards or so from the end of the canal here. The visitor moorings further down are all full up. So we've moored up just a little bit back from the visitor moorings. So it's not the greatest of views, but the town is just beside us, and we also want to have a walk round at the end of the canal, go over the bridge and see what's there, look, have a check out over the River Mersey. So it's been a long day, like I said, 5 hours. We've not really eaten apart from a packet of crisps and a chocolate bar. I should really get myself organised with snacks or a sandwich or something before we go if we know we're having a long day. But we made it here before sunset, so that's the main thing. So Pat's just putting up the pram cover. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Once you've subscribed, you can hit the bell icon and YouTube will send you notifications of when we release future videos. Thanks for watching.